Hey interweb. In this video you're going to see me show my newest puzzle box. Yes, this is a puzzle box. I took and tried to make a Nikon D5100 because that's what my dad has, but I tried to recreate it, but it ended up being a puzzle box. So yeah, just like the screen can pop out and twist around. Kind of interesting on trying to get it back in. Okay. Then I also have a little viewfinder here, so you can look through, see what you're taking a picture of. Got a little dial to choose what setting you want. Got your little direction button. You press it for OK or whatever. Then I've got the trigger button here, which actually pushes down. And then, of course, the lens. And unlike my dad's camera, to change out the lens, you just pop it off. Ta-da! Yeah. Okay, so how to solve this thing? Well, you got that presses. This can easily come off, so that does nothing. This does nothing. This does nothing because it's just put on by that. Oops. So, how do you get in? Well, the trigger is actually the trigger to opening the box. You press it down, and then you can pull out your drawer. And then you'd have whatever you want in there. Pencil. Nope, doesn't fit. Battery. Yes! For power source. So yeah. But it doesn't go in yet. You have to push down the trigger to be able to stick it back in. So yeah. And it doesn't. Whoops. Popped up. Well, while it's up, I can show you. There's a little viewfinder, so you're able to see whatever you're aiming at. So yeah, that is my new Lego puzzle box. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so you know when I come up with new stuff. And also leave comments for things you'd like me to do for videos. So also something that just came to my mind is I made this. It doesn't look like much, but it's kind of like a little puzzle. It can turn into a square by just doing this, that, and boom, square. And back to the line. Yeah. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you liked it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.